everyone, welcome back to part 2 of dashboard creation using Tableau, a powerful business intelligence tool. I'm Lakshmi. I work as a data science mentor at DataMites. I shall quickly get an overview of the previous video, then start with the dashboard creation. The interface would look like this, where you will be drawing your dashboard. Before which I told you the basic requirement of having a dashboard creation is a title to the dashboard, something called as a card visual, graphs, basic graphs, filters, and slices. All these put together in this Canva is your dashboard. We already created card, we already created filters, basic visuals, that is a pie chart, line graph, and a tree, followed by a table. These were done in detail in part 1. Now I have all my graphs ready. I want to create my dashboard. You all can see this icon. Just have to click on that icon, which will lead you to the page which my video was showing at first. This is where you will be creating your dashboard. What is the first thing? The first thing is we need to have this page layout setting, before which you have to just come down. You can all see this show dashboard title. Just enable that and just click on floating. This is the first thing we need to do. Followed by, we have to have this page layout setting. That is, come to here. I just want my dashboard to be hovering all these page. Okay. I'm just increasing the width. Right, you can all see this width got enabled. See, title is also enabled. I'm just renaming, having the title. My data set was orders data, sales analysis, basically. That I'll be putting on my title. Sales analysis, making it to be bold and changing the font size. And I'm making this a center align, clicking on OK. Okay, this is, I have set my title ready. Next is I've set my layout ready. Now creating the dashboards. Okay. Basic visuals are there. Already we created something called as cards, right? Just copy paste. Just double click on it. It will enable you here. Okay. I'm just adjusting it to wherever I want to. Here you cannot do any changes. Whatever the changes, you have to do it on this visual on the dashboard. You have to again go back to the card visual which we created. Here you have to make the changes. Let's just say I just want to increase the text size. Okay, text font, or I just want to increase this text size. Just select this, make it to be 14, click on OK. See, you are increased. Now you go on to your dashboard. See, here also it got increased. Like that only you have to do it. Nothing here, any changes or formatting onto these visual pages. I have my card ready. Next, I will just adjust this. Then pie chart. Drag and drop it, adjust to wherever you want it to. I just don't want this, I'm removing it. Remove from dashboard. I'm just okay with this. Then I'll be having my line chart. Line chart followed by a table. Okay. Then followed by a map. I just don't want this to be there. What I'll do, I'll just remove it. Then followed by filters. We created filters, right? This filters here. And one more thing is what? Tree is left, tree. Now everything is there, but not in a structured format. Bring that to a structured format. What? Just adjust to it neatly to this page. Here, earlier it was not in a proper structured format, but we have all the visuals plotted. I just adjusted the space and brought it here. Somewhere I find this table is kind of a messy. I'm just going on to the table. I will just remove sales. Okay, coming on to dashboard, it kind of looks like okay for me. I'm just adjusting the size of line and adjusting the size of pie chart as well. Here, all the basic requirements are done. We have a title, we have cards, we have all the basic visuals, filters, map, and tree. Yes, but what did not we did not create something called as slicers, right? That slicer and filters will make your dashboard to be very interactive. How to do it? You all can. I'm just creating one slicer. Okay, come on to your visual tree map, or you can come on to tree as well, whichever you want. You can see this drop down option which shows more options. Click on more option. You can see something called as a filters, right? Filters on what? See, basically this is a map which talks about geographical location, country, latitude, longitude, state. It makes sense if I'm slicing it out based on filtering it out the different analysis based on state, right? I'm just selecting state. See, you all can see this state got enabled. I'm just highlighting it here. Different states are there, okay? This is a slicer which I created from this visual, okay? I just want to apply this entire slicer to the entire dashboard visuals to make it to be interactive. How? You can see this option, more option. Just click on apply to all worksheets. Click on all using related data sources. Okay, done. It's been done. All. It's like this. If I'm clicking on, let's say California, see, all the visuals got changed and showing us all the records based on this California state itself. Okay, where is this California coming in the map? And in California, which and all the subcategory giving you maximum sales, and it coming on to West region and giving you what number of sales. In California, in which year, what was the sales, and different in different years, what was the sales, and all these subcategories giving you what amount of sales. Okay, if you just want it to for Florida, just click on Florida. Unselect or deselect California, click on Florida. Okay, it got changed. What if I want to analyze in joint of California and Florida? Click both. Both the analysis would be given. See, this is how it is taking on. This is how you will be creating a simple dashboard, making it to be very interactive using this slicer. Okay. This is about your dashboard creation using Tableau. It is a very simple dashboard what I've created. You can explore more getting on different data. Fine. Thank you all. Happy learning. Explore yourself on Tableau.